Hello everyone. Today is our Pradhan Sevak's birthday. To make him realize the anger and frustration that the youth are facing because of him, a decision has been made to celebrate today as a National Unemployment Day. In spite of attempting to distract the public at large with Hindu-Muslim issues, it has become quite clear to the nation the depths and desperation that our economy is facing through at the moment. Upwards of 25 crore people have been pushed back below the poverty line. Our middle class is shrinking every single day. 6 major automobile companies have shut their operations in the past 4 years. Citibank, one of the largest retail banking operations in the world, ended their operations this year. What does it say about the long-term health of our economy if major global players are leaving the country? Unemployment rates are at 8% across India this month. Those that do have jobs have seen their salaries reduced drastically. Household expenses are rising non-stop because of rising fuel prices, LPG hikes and rising prices of food items. The anger of the farmers seems to rise every single day against this government. The rich are getting richer because of the tax breaks gifted to them by this government. After a failed demonetization and loan mailer schemes, the government now plans to monetize public assets to the private companies. And let's not forget how badly this government handled the second wave of the corona pandemic. The true number of the sick and dead have been hidden from us deliberately. And vaccination rates are not as high as they should be. If you dare to question this government, all manner of investigations by agencies like the IT, ED and CBI will be used to scare you into silence, and the UAPA will be obliged to you so that you rot in jail. This is the legacy that our Pradhan Sevak will be remembered for. The only language our rulers seem to understand is the language of elections. They seem to realize that public perception against them is at their lowest. This has resulted in 4 BJP chief ministers being changed in the past 6 months. This shows that the leadership of the BJP is quite scared at the moment. I hope, for our nation's sake, that we see the end of Modi's rule in our national elections in 2024. That's all for today, everyone. Goodbye.